going to share my screen. Once you are able to see my screen, kindly acknowledge me. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, it is visual.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And once again, good morning and good evening, all of you. So thanks for your introduction through the Google form. I met with different people from different industries and different technologies from the different domains. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Krishna. I'm having 18 plus years of experience into Oracle. So I started my career as a Oracle EBS consultant. And from 2015 ending onwards, I started working on Oracle Fusion projects. And currently also I'm working. So I'm a real-time profession, real-time consultant. I learn and I teach here. Basically, I execute projects. I'm working for a company, and as well as parallelly, I teach here for the trainings. My primary modules are supply chain management and discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, and secondary modules are planning. So this is my module-wise skill set. Out of these 18 plus years of experience, I have been into multiple countries. I traveled and I did a lot of implementations, and I've been part of upgrade support and rollout projects. Worked for many customers scattering from retail domain and pharma, oil and gas and chemical. So I worked with different industries. Coming to my training experience, I have around, I would say, overall 10 years experience into trainings also. In Oracle EBS, I delivered 63 batches. I completed 63 batches in Oracle EBS. In Oracle Fusion, I completed 64 batches. So your batch number is 66. And whenever I have a free time, I used to take the classes from Oracle University. From Oracle University, I have delivered trainings to the Cognizant and Accenture. And last year, I delivered directly trainings to the LTA company also from TechLeads IT. So that is about my training experience. Okay. So we have assembled here. We have assembled here to understand what is Oracle Fusion and what are all the modules covered under supply chain management. And right now, Redwood plus artificial intelligence. These are the latest technology additions into Oracle Fusion. So we'll also discover what I'm going to cover on part of those Redwood and artificial intelligence side as well. So this is the agenda. We'll start from what is ERP, because some freshers are there, some beginners are there. I would like to explain everything from basics to advanced, from simple to complex. That is my pattern and teaching style. What is the ERP? So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. I'll take a simple example. Suppose if you're having a small retail shop, what are the day-to-day transactions happens in your retail shop? Anyone can explain. What are the day-to-day transactions in a retail shop? Suppose you are a retail shop owner. What are the day-to-day transactions happens?
Purchasing and sales.
Buying and selling.
Correct. Sales. I want to hear all the voices.
Inventory management.
Everyone, please feel free to talk and speak to your trainer. Take this as an opportunity to interact with your trainer. Please.
Buying and selling.
Hmm?
Sales, purchase,
Stock, finance, sales,
billing,
Sales, purchases, stock,
customers,
Stock
customer data.
maintenance,
inventory,
Yes.
Staff as well, employees.
Order to cash.
Employee data. So if you're having
Inventory
a single shop,
optimization.
yeah, thank you. If
retail
you're
supply.
having a single shop, you're gonna maintain all these transactions in a book, right? All this data, like how much sale you made, and what is you purchased, and what is the stock available in your shop, and how many employees are working in your shop, what is their salary information, what is the operational expenditure. All this data you'll maintain in a book, right?
Yes.
yes,
Suppose
Yes.
if you're having 10 shops, Excel. But if your company across the globe, and your company is a big company having a good amount of turnover, then you need a application to maintain all this business data, to maintain all these business transactions. That application is called as ERP. That application is called as ERP. Under this ERP application, you can manage all your company information and your company transactions. Your business transactions, your business data, everything you can maintain under this ERP application. It could be related to purchase department, sales department, inventory, or finance, or manufacturing, or HR. So if you take HR, how many employees are there? What is the designation of those employees? What is the pay structure for those employees? And they're reporting to whom? All this information also you need to maintain under ERP application.
Sir, I have a doubt,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, enterprise resource planning, as it says, is a complete for the enterprise. But then why there is a specific models in HCM and finance?
It's a ERP application is a pack, sir. It's a pack of modules. It's a suite of module. Okay. So enterprise is having all these resources, right? When you say enterprise, it's nothing but a company. Company is having all these resources. These are all resources. Enterprise is nothing but a company, and resources are nothing but these are all different departments, different resources of the company. So we manage effectively all these resources under an ERP application.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is a simple example. I would like to explain to everyone, freshers and beginners. Everyone understood what is ERP?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Oracle,
Yes.
thank you. And Oracle has built a ERP application in 1980s, 1980. In 1980s, this is our first ERP application, Oracle e-business suite. And this is latest ERP application. So in 1980s, Oracle developed this ERP application, and this is the latest ERP application. Sir, what is the difference between these two? Sir, why Oracle has developed two ERP application? Why? What is the need? What is the purpose? I'll tell you. So in the market, before Oracle Fusion application, in the market, PeopleSoft ERP is available, which is famous for HR. PeopleSoft ERP, which is famous for HR. JD Edwards is famous for procurement. Siebel is famous for CRM. And our Oracle ERP is also there, Oracle e-business suite. So our Oracle's e-business suite is famous for financials. So different ERP applications are famous for different modules. This is for HRMS, this is for procurement, this is for CRM, this is for financials. So what Oracle has done is, Oracle has acquired all these three companies. Nothing but Oracle has purchased all these three companies. We have our own application, in-house product, and Oracle has acquired all these three products, nothing but these three companies. So since these ERP applications are best among different modules, Oracle has mixed all these ERP applications. The best functionalities has been extracted and developed a new ERP application called Fusion.
Sir, Salesforce is not
That-
part of this, sir.
That Fusion, yes, Salesforce is different ERP.
Okay.
So Fusion is a hybrid product. It's a hybrid product because it's a mixture of all these different ERP applications. And also it's a cloud product. Cloud product in the sense, in case of Oracle EBS, in this case, we need to maintain our server. In our server, we have to install this ERP application. But Fusion is cloud-based product. When I say cloud-based product, it is available already in the cloud. It's nothing but Oracle is going to provide us the application access and we are going to use it. We no need to maintain the server, not required. The server is managed by, the cloud server is managed by Oracle only. So Fusion ERP application.
So it's mean we don't need DBA for Fusion, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
And as I mentioned, Fusion is a hybrid product. It's a mixture of different ERP application and it's also a cloud product. So here is the difference. In case of Oracle EBS, on-premise, Oracle Fusion is cloud. So what is the difference between on-premise and cloud? In a layman language, if you ask me, what is the difference between pendrive and Google Drive? Pendrive and Google Drive. We're all using pendrive, right?
Yes.
And also Google Drive, right? What is the difference between both? In case of pendrive, you have to purchase the hardware, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in case of Google Drive, are you purchasing any hardware? No. Subscription model.
Cloud
Subscription model, you are paying something and you are consuming the space. So similarly, Fusion also, it's a cloud-based product. So we pay and we subscribe and we use it. We pay, we subscribe and we use it. But in case of on-premise, here we need to purchase the hardware. Hardware in the sense you have to purchase the server. In your server, you have to install the ERP application, Oracle EBS, you have to install and you have to maintain it. But in case of cloud, are you purchasing the hardware? Are you purchasing the server? No.
No.
That means capital expenditure is zero. When I say capital expenditure, you need not to purchase any hardware. Capital expenditure is zero. Not only initial capital expenditure, suppose if you purchase the hardware also, down the line you have to upgrade your hardware. If any new processor, if any new motherboard or any new servers coming into the market, we need to upgrade our hardware also. But
Yes.
here, are we maintaining any hardware? No.
No.
So capital expenditure is zero and the future capital expenditure is also zero here. What
Yes.
about operational expenditure? Operational expenditure is also zero here. Because in case of on-premise, you need to have DBS, database administrators. They are gonna install the application. They maintain the application in your server. Not only DBS, you need system engineers also. You need network administrators also to provide security, to maintain the firewall. So operational expenditure is also there here. Suppose if
Then-
you're having DBS, if you're having network administrators, security administrators, so you need to have a space also, office space. When you have office space, you have to pay rent and employee engagement activities. You need to provide pantry, okay, and you need to provide transportation. All the capital expenditure is more here. Sorry, operational expenditure. But in cloud, operational expenditure is zero in terms of the server maintenance. We don't maintain the server. Server is maintained by Oracle only. Oracle is gonna, everything is taken care of. Server side, everything taken care by Oracle only. So that's why in case of Oracle Fusion application, capital expenditure and operational expenditure, both are zero. Okay, clear everyone?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, Satish.
Oracle is known for their DBA, sir. Some portion I remember SAP was using DBA for of Oracle,
Okay.
but that's their core business. But they are stepping out of their comfort zone. When they have AWS, Azure, GCP, they have cloud partners. I mean, just curious to know the business, sir, not the technical side of it. So why would they do it?
You mean the question is why companies
On
are
cloud.
going to the cloud?
Why on cloud, especially Oracle? I mean, when they are very strong in the traditional, R12 was in the DB.
Mhm.
So all these things setups were there. So that's
Mhm.
their bread and butter.
Mhm.
And they were providing it for SAP as well. Now,
Yeah.
and now they're chasing in the top threes. I'm
Mhm.
little curious to know, sir.
Yeah, see, basically, technology adoption and most important thing is how to save your money. Every customer would like to save their money, right? Somebody is providing a cloud option and another customer is having, suppose if you compare Oracle and SAP, Oracle is having their own cloud, okay? But SAP is not having their own cloud, but SAP is got tied up with, AWS and then Azure and GCP. But Oracle is having their own cloud. So when Oracle offers a cloud, then obviously SAP should offer also. Okay, if one competitor is offering a good service where the customer can save the money, other competitor definitely should offer it, should adopt it. It's a technology change, sir. Okay.
But at the same
Well
time,
noted, sir.
I
Thank
even heard that Oracle gave a deadline for R12 non-cloud based operating systems to end their support by 2030. Is that true?
Yeah, it's 2030, sir. Yeah, so I'm going to mention that point. The point, the question that is asked here is, many of our customers currently is using Oracle EBS, and new customers are using Oracle Fusion application. Oracle has set a deadline for Oracle EBS clients to move to Oracle Fusion application by 2035. By 2035.
Okay.
So by 2035, whoever is using Oracle EBS, all has to come to Oracle Fusion application. Okay. So this is the journey of Oracle Fusion, version by version. And the latest version is release 13 25A. 25A. So 25 is nothing but we are in which year, sir? 2025. We are in which quarter? A quarter. First quarter, nothing but. So every quarter, our application get upgraded. Every quarter, our application get upgraded. This is the beauty in this ERP application. Because if I explain in a layman language again, suppose if you're all using phones, right? Our phone software get updated quite frequently. Why? Why our phone software get upgraded quite frequently? Why?
Some patches and all.
Yeah, correct. Patches and
New
Patches and
features.
upgrades.
new features, correct.
Bugs and error.
Updates,
Bugs
basically
and
updates.
errors.
Bugs also,
Correct.
yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Performance.
Bugs also fix.
Yes,
Enhancements and security.
correct. So similarly, our Fusion application also on quarterly basis, Oracle is introducing new features, new functionalities, new look and feel. And also Oracle is identifying the existing bugs also, and Oracle is fixing for us. Suppose this application used by many clients across the globe, right? Suppose if any customer reported any bug to Oracle, Oracle is going to analyze that bug, and Oracle is going to do everything, and simply Oracle is going to roll out that patch into all the customers, all the clients. So in case of Oracle EBS, what happens? Everybody is using individual servers, right? Everybody has to fix their own bug individually. But since it is a cloud-based application, if anyone reported any bug, if Oracle feels that need to be fixed across all the clients and everything, so Oracle is gonna roll out that fix in all the clients' environments. Because in case of Oracle EBS, a bug fixing is like a mini project, sir. Because you have to investigate, you have to report to Oracle, you have to take the patch, you have to apply patch in the lower environment. You have to apply patch in the lower environment. You have to test it. After testing everything is successful, you have to take the approvals to migrate to the production. Correct? There are a lot
Yes.
of steps involved, but in Fusion, no. It's all automatically taken care by Oracle. So on quarterly basis, you're always on the latest application, latest version, and latest functionalities you're gonna use in this. And what is this release 13? We have our human generations, right? Similarly, Oracle is also having generations. What are Oracle generations? Oracle right now, it is in 12th generation, it is moving to the 13th generation. Because if you take Oracle database, Oracle database, current database version is what? 12C, right?
Mm.
Previous version is?
12C.
Previous version.
11.
So see here, 11th generation.
Yeah.
Earlier we are in 11th generation and currently we are in 12th generation. We are moving to the 13th generation. If you take Oracle EBS also, Oracle EBS current version,
R12.
R12. Previous version,
11.
11i.
Yeah, 11i. Yeah.
So you understood, right? Oracle generations. Our
Yes.
previous generation, 11th generation. Current generation is as per Oracle, 13th generation. Future generation, sorry, 12th generation.
I have one question, like, but we are using the database different, like 9C something. What is that?
9C, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what is that 9C, sir. 12C.
Okay. 12C.
Oracle database 12C, yeah. So
Okay.
basically all the Oracle products, most of the Oracle products, so they follow generations. Okay. Right now we are in 13th generation and we are moving towards the, 12th generation. We are moving towards the 13th generation. Our Oracle Fusion application already into 13th generation. Other Oracle products has to come to 13th generation. They're in 12 only, but Fusion application already in the 13th generation. Okay. So I'm gonna teach classes on the latest generation only, release 13 and 25A. For your practice also, I'll give the same application. So you and me working on the same application. It's not that I'm using one application and you are using a different application. It is not like that. So I'm gonna use the latest application and you are gonna use the same application only. Okay. So that means all the latest features we are gonna learn in the classes.
EBS and cloud version are different, like,
Yes.
okay.
And since we are talking about cloud, we need to
Okay.
talk about these three platforms: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. What is SaaS? What is PaaS? And what is IaaS? So IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as a service infrastructure. Who is providing the infrastructure to us? Who is providing the server to us?
Oracle.
Oracle. Oracle. So IaaS consultants, infrastructure consultants are working for which company? Oracle company. You will not see IaaS consultants in your project. You will not see. Okay. What is PaaS consultant? Basically, we are here. We are going to become SaaS consultants. What is the difference between SaaS consultant and PaaS consultant? I'll explain you now. The PaaS consultant is nothing but a developer. The PaaS consultant is going to build the reports based on the client requirement. Reporting. Suppose if the client asking for a report of last year, 2024, I would like to know the sales. I want a report for that. 2024 sales report. 2024 revenue report. So those reports are built by whom? PaaS consultants. Based on the client requirement, these people are going to generate the reports, develop the reports. Not only developing the reports, they also build the integrations also. Integrations in the sense, you all know Flipkart, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Flipkart is using Oracle.
Yes.
Flipkart is using Oracle. But we are going to book our order in which website? Flipkart website. When you place an order in Flipkart website, automatically that order goes to Oracle. So there is an integration between Flipkart website to Oracle. You know Cultifit, right? Cultifit.
Yes.
It's a
Yes.
fitness company.
Yeah. It is.
Cultifit is also using Oracle Fusion. But you're going to place order in either mobile app or either in Culti website. That information goes to Oracle. So there is an integration between these systems. So those integrations are developed by technical consultants. Nothing but our ERP application is going to communicate with different other systems. So that communication is going to build and written by the PaaS consultants. It could be our Oracle ERP application is receiving the data from any other application or giving the data to any other application, technically called as inbound and outbound. These inbound and outbound integrations are built by the PaaS consultants. So you can call it PaaS consultants as a reporting consultants, or you can call them as a integration consultants also. So down the line in the future, so there will be exclusively integration consultants are there in the future, and there could be exclusively reporting consultants are in the future on the PaaS side. PaaS side, definitely the role gonna be divided into two areas: integration specialist, reporting specialist, like that. Okay. So we are gonna become SaaS consultants. Sir, what is our work? What we do? We are going to configure the application based on the client requirement. This Oracle ERP application is already built by Oracle. Oracle is giving that application as it is. The client company structure we need to create in the application. Suppose an example, client is operating in multiple locations. All those locations you have to create in the application, right? Client is operating in multiple locations, multiple countries. All those countries, all those locations, you have to configure in the application. So based on the client requirement, we have to set up the application. So for SaaS consultants, zero coding. We don't write any coding for SaaS consultants. So no coding, no C here, no Java. Java is not required. C language is not required. No coding, no Python. Even I don't know coding. I don't know coding. So as a SaaS consultants, zero coding. Sir, any prerequisites of the academics? A qualification. Either it could be a BTech or a degree or MTech or MS. You should possess a valid qualification. So no prerequisites to learn this course. And I'll show you by opening the application also, team. Okay. So I'm going to stop my screen share. I would like to take the application of the Fusion. I stopped my screen share, team.
So correct me if I'm wrong. So far, I have, I was just checking on the internet in Google. So being a SaaS consultant, also we do have an option of generating the reports and
It's up to basically
presenting the reports. So what
Sir,
sort
if
of
you-
reports we will be doing as a SaaS consultant?
Sir, it's up to you. If you want to develop the reports, you can develop, sir. Okay, nobody is gonna stop you. Okay. If you wanted to do everybody work, nobody is gonna stop you, sir. It's up to you. Okay. But it is not mandatory, sir. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, as a SaaS
If you want to play a role of a PaaS consultant and SaaS consultant both, that is absolutely happy to the company. Okay.
This is a techno function, right?
Yeah, techno-functional. Yeah, I'm not a techno-functional. I'm a
Okay,
functional.
you
I'm
will
strong
teach
in functional.
functional side here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So SaaS consultants are also called as functional consultants. But SaaS consultant language is from the cloud because our Oracle Fusion is a cloud-based application, right?
Like in the Oracle ABS, we are hiring the technical consultant. But in cloud, we have to hire technical also, right? They will
SaaS
write a code.
consultant is nothing but technical consultant.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a PaaS consultant, technical consultant. I'm sharing my screen back to you people. So hope you're able to see my screen. This is the Fusion application. Okay, I'll show you from the login screen. You're able to see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this application we can open from the browser. We can open from the browser. Okay, so it's a cloud-based application, right? Oracle is going to provide a URL to us. So you can just put that URL in any browser. It could be Chrome or Microsoft Edge or in any browser, and enter the username and password. I just entered the username and password already, and I clicked on the sign in. So simple example I will explain you. As a SaaS consultant, as a functional consultant, because we are going to become what? SaaS consultant, right? The SaaS consultant is also called as a functional consultant. So what is our work? I'll show you. Right now I'm in the setup and maintenance. So here I will explain about approvals. Purchase approvals. Simple example. So in our childhood, suppose if you want to purchase something, you have to take approval from your mother, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if the amount is more, you have to take the approval from your father also, correct? In companies, if you want to purchase something, you have to follow some approval hierarchy. It should be approved by your manager, or director or vice president. So company to company, that approval levels are different. That approval limits are different. In one company, manager is able to approve $10,000. In another company, manager is able to approve $50,000. Company to company, that approval matrix is different. Okay. We have to gather the requirement from the client. We have to talk to the client, and we have to gather the requirement, and we have to document that requirement. And according to the details provided by the client, we have to configure the approvals here. We have to configure the approvals here. We don't write any coding here. It's all front-end application only. It's all front-end application only. In our classes, we are gonna learn all these capabilities. All these capabilities we are gonna learn in the classes. How to set up all these functionalities in the application, I will explain you. Okay. And one more small example I will tell you. We need to give login, right? To our client, we need to provide the login. So we need to create their login users. So for that, we have to create here. For that, we need to create here. So you have to collect the data from the client also. Hey, how many employees are working for you? So give me those details. I'm going to create them in the application. So here we need to create all those users. Here we need to create all those users. Here, enter the first name, last name, and everything. And we have to provide their access also. So everything here, we have to define in the application. We have to configure in the application based on the client requirement and client data. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Beginners and freshers, you are good?
So
Yeah.
got it. But just that wanted to know the relation that you have explained, right? Regarding the approvals for the purchase. Let's say different managers have different purchase limits. So how we will relate this in this application? You mean to say like we'll have to give them the access of the limits that they're allowed based on their designation, or how does it work? If you don't mind, correct me if I'm
So
wrong.
currently, currently how they are operating. Okay, so you can ask them currently who is approving, who is approving. So they maybe they are using not Oracle, some other ERP application they are using. Maybe they are not using at all. Maybe they are taking offline mail approvals, right? So currently who is approving it? You collect that data and configure that in the application. So how to configure that in the application, I'll explain in the coming classes.
Got it.
So no prerequisites, zero coding.
Like I'm a manager, and if I want to give a, like I'm on leave and I want to give a permission to other member, so I can give on
Yeah, that is also possible. That's called as a vacation rule. So if you are going for a vacation, you are able to, pass on that privilege to other person and you can leave.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll discuss conceptual related topics in the upcoming classes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Team, those who joined recently, kindly fill the form. Kindly fill the form, team. We shared form in the chat. Neeraj, you're done with filling your details?
Yes, sir.
Okay. J. Clifton, Jagadish.
Sir, I am also filled the form.
Okay, thank you. So next, in our ERP application, these are the major modules, team. Major modules: financials, supply chain management, procurement, human capital management. This is HR. This is financials. But we are going to learn these two: supply chain management and procurement, these two. So I have a separate slide for this. Individually, these are the modules that we are going to learn. These are the modules: inventory, product management, order management, global order promising, distributor order orchestration, pricing, costing. Totally how many? 3, 4, 5, 6. And apart from these 6 modules, under procurement suite, we'll learn all these modules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally how many? I think 13 modules. In the previous slide, I think 7 modules were there. And here 6 modules, totally 13 modules. Under procurement suite, purchasing, responsive self-service procurement. This is the new. This is Redwood based application. Redwood. So I'm going to teach you.
What is mean?
I'll explain you, sir. I'm going to teach you the latest application, latest module. Okay. And then supplier portal, sourcing, procurement contracts, supplier qualification management. These are the modules that I'm going to cover from simple to advanced.
And
From simple to
what about advancements for SCM?
what, sir?
What about the advancements for SCM? There's
Advancement.
Oracle is trying to introduce AI into SCM, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So are we even covering that?
Yeah, yeah. If you see my first slide itself, I mentioned that. My first slide. I'm covering Redwood. I'm also covering the artificial intelligence. Wherever
Sorry,
the
my bad.
wherever the artificial intelligence features are there, I'm covering that. You see?
Okay.
So this
Hi,
is
sir.
Redwood plus artificial intelligence. All the latest features I'm covering in the classes.
Yeah, Krishna, Amit here. I have one question.
Yeah.
So post this, when you are trying to appear for Oracle certification, so it would be total 6 to 7 certifications, right? Under
Or
HCM?
if you don't mind, any questions related to that particular slide or whatever we completed, please ask, okay? Certification part, anyway, I'll explain in the coming slides.
Oh.
Yeah,
What about planning module?
Huh?
Is that not separately covered? The planning
Which one?
is separately covered, is it?
Sir, this itself, it is taking 3 months, sir.
The planning module.
So let me finish. This itself is taking 3 months, okay? So if you have to cover planning and manufacturing, it will take 1 year academic course, sir. Planning is separate thing, okay? Because to
Krishna,
cover planning, it will take under 40 hours. If you combine manufacturing also, it will take under 40 hours. So this itself, it is taking 3 months. Okay.
Hi, Krishna. I would require your minute time after this session to discuss on certification.
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, these are the important topics, team. Not only models, I have highlighted important topics. Order to cash cycle, return sales order, drop ship, back-to-back, transfer order, sales order approvals, and credit hold functionality, and procure to pay life cycle, and auto cash life cycle with accounting entries also. These are the important topics. Detailed topics list, it's available in the course brochure. Kindly go through. We have emailed you, we have sent you a WhatsApp message about the course brochure. And these are some more important topics. If you take approvals, in the approvals, I'm covering all the 5 types of hierarchies.
C2C
Supervisor
is not there.
hierarchy, position hierarchy, job level hierarchy, approval group, single approver. I'm covering all the hierarchies. So only on the approvals, I'm going to take 8-hour session. 8-hour session because approvals is very, very important for any implementation. Because if you know these approvals, you can configure procurement approvals, you can configure sales order approvals. In fact, you can configure finance side approvals also. Finance side is not our part, but we can configure finance side approvals also. And the period closing process. Sir, if you don't mind, slide by slide, can I take your questions? Not by sentence by sentence, because I'm gonna miss my flow. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Slide by slide, I'll take your questions, all of you. Otherwise, it's an interruption. It's not a continuation flow or continuation discussion. Okay. So period close process. Period close is also important, right? So I'm going to cover the period close process as part of the casting. And what are the standard reports available in Oracle? Standard reports, seeded reports given by Oracle. And what is the table information also I'm going to cover. Apart from this, there are additional topics are also available. This topic is nothing but the second one, third one, and fourth one. This topic is nothing but data migration. Data migration. Sir, what is meant by data migration? Currently, you are using old mobile and you purchased a new mobile. To the new mobile, you have to migrate the data, right? Right? To the new mobile, you have to migrate the data or not?
Yes.
Which is
Yes,
called
yes.
as the data migration. So what are all the techniques to migrate the data to the Fusion application? Client may be using data in Excels or maybe using a small ERP. We need to migrate all the data from the existing application to the Fusion application. What are the different techniques are available? Totally 3 techniques are available: ADFDI and FBDI and task level upload. These 3 techniques are available. All these 3 techniques I'll cover in the classes. And this is reporting. This is reporting part. This is reporting part. So basically here we need not to write any coding. If you are able to, there are some predefined subject areas are available. You go to that subject area. You can drag and drop that subject area. Drag and drop that subject area. Automatically system is going to generate a simple reports for you. If it is a complex report based on certain logic, it's better to develop a report from the scratch. If it is a complex report or if there are some logics are there, then better to build a report from the scratch. If it is a straightforward report and simple report, Oracle has provided OTBI. Using OTBI, using drag and drop, we are able to generate the reports. And there is a export and import feature also I'm covering. Export and import feature in the sense, from one application to another application, we can copy the data. We can copy the data from one instance to another instance. From the non-production environment to production environment, we can copy the data. Sir, what is meant by non-production environment? Non-production environment is nothing but test environment. Production environment is nothing but live environment, real-time environment. From real-time environment to non-real-time environment, you can copy the data. From non-real-time environment to real-time environment, you can copy the data. So using this export and import feature, we can migrate the data between the instances, between the applications. So these are the important topics which I have highlighted here, but a detailed curriculum, you can check in the course brochure. Now I'll take your questions regarding the syllabus.
Sir, one question here. I just got to know from you that the reports are pretty much different. So wanted to know more about this reporting process. Like I was telling, right? So the techie person will have hands-on experience to create separate report. So whatever report we will be creating, is that the basic report that a client wants?
Correct.
Or something? Yeah.
Correct. So
Okay, okay.
OTBI. So OTBI is a report, is a straightforward reports and simple reports we can build in the sense drag and drop. But complex reports having thousands of lines of code, SQL code, that sort of reports are built by the technical consultants, PaaS
Like
consultants.
PaaS consultants. Okay, okay, got it, got it.
Hello, sir. As you said here, integration now. Integration in the sense it's between two applications or no, just as we do in EBS, just we will take
Between
data
two applications. Between two applications, being a functional consultant, SaaS consultants, we should know in the sense, you no need to build the integrations. At least what are the integration options are there? What are the integration options are there? We should know. That knowledge I'm going to cover. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We have REST API, we have a SOAP UI, and we have using FBD also we can build the integrations. And we have a separate PaaS tool called OSC, Oracle Integration Cloud is also available.
Integration in modules also, right?
Hmm?
Different modules, like
within Oracle, all the modules are connected. You no need to integrate. Suppose supply chain, financials, HR, all these modules are connected with each other. No need to perform integrations. When you want to connect our application, our entire ERP application with any other system, with any other application, then you have to perform integration. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Krishna, I have one question.
Hmm.
Yeah, regarding modules, are we covering the transportation planning?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm not covering here.
In this slide, like the second option, file-based data loader. So how it will work? Like EBS to a cloud?
No, we have to take the data from EBS and we have to put that data into FBDA template. It's a template given by Oracle. In the template, we need to fill that data in the prescribed format and we need to upload.
Then we can upload in the cloud, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, good.
Yeah, your name is Sandhu, right? You're trying to speak, but your voice is low. Maybe you're driving or I don't know. Your voice is low.
So are we going to cover the warehouse management system as well?
Sir, you're all asking different modules, okay? WMS is different, okay? I'm not covering WMS. For this itself, taking 3 months time, manufacturing, planning, lot of models are there.
In
So
the
if you
SCM, what will you teach like?
huh?
In SCM, what will you teach like?
That I already completed, right?
Yeah. I
I have already completed, right? What I teach, I have already mentioned here clearly, one by one, module by module.
Hello.
Okay. So this itself, it is taking 3 months time, team.
Okay, it's mean you will not cover inventory management, right?
Inventory is there, sir. That is the first module, Abhishek.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, please go
My
through
bad.
the syllabus, okay?
My bad.
Please go through the syllabus, team. We have already shared the syllabus to all of you, okay? Please go through the syllabus, team. So if you learn this, that is enough. I don't know WMS. I don't know transportation management. All these modules are not required. These are all modules handled by different consultants. One person cannot handle all these modules. Supply chain and procurement is major in the market. That is major in the market. Most of the consultants, most of the jobs are on the supply chain and procurement. This is quite common models is implemented and used by the customers. Okay. And remaining questions I'll take at the end. If you don't mind. Okay. Because
Sorry.
we are getting into a lot of Q&A. I have a lot of other slides to cover, team. Please. We'll have at the end. Okay. Let me finish. 1 or 2 questions are okay, but if you are continuously asking, it will gonna become a Q&A. Question and answers. I have a slide for Q&A at the end.
Sir,
This
one
is
more
a
question,
slide.
please.
This is
I
a
don't
slide for Q&A. Okay. Understood?
And
Yes.
what is
Yes.
Oracle CX?
Please wait. So this is this application already we have seen, right? I have directly, shown the application to all of you. How this application look like. This is a sample homepage of the application. And this is nothing but Redwood. This is nothing but Redwood. The same page, you see, the page is same, but you see, it is responsive across all the 3 different devices. Responsive all the 3 different devices. What are the 3 different devices that you see here?
Yeah, mobile,
Mobile,
laptop
tab
and
and
tablet.
laptop. Our current pages are not responsive. Our current pages are not responsive.
Okay.
That's why Oracle is building the new Redwood pages. These are called as Redwood pages. These are responsive and compatible with across all these 3 devices. And look and feel also Oracle is changing. It's making more beautification to our current existing pages. Okay. And more user friendly also. So these Redwood pages also I will cover during the classes. So not all the supply chain pages. In supply chain management, I would say 30% of the pages are on Redwood. Remaining 70% pages are on the old pages only. But 30% pages are on the Redwood. We'll use the Redwood pages in the classes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
And this is implementation methodology. Implementation methodology. If you're executing a project, what is step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4? What are all the phases that we have an implementation project? That will be discussed during the classes. And what is our work during each phase? What we are going to do, we'll discuss in the upcoming classes. This is called as OEM methodology, Oracle Unified Methodology. This is the methodology which is used for Oracle Fusion projects. In case of Oracle EBS, what is the methodology that we are using? Oracle EBS. What is implementation methodology?
Agile.
AIM, application implementation methodology. But here, OEM methodology, Oracle Unified Methodology. There is a new methodology currently Oracle is using for their in-house projects. That's called as a true methodology, true. It is not released into the market. It's in the experimental mode. Currently, that is using by Oracle itself in their in-house projects. That's called as a true methodology. If the true methodology is also coming into the market, I'll cover that latest methodology. Okay. But for your batch, I believe Oracle will not release that. I'm going to cover OEM methodology only. And what are the documents that we prepare also? During our implementation, what are all the documents that we prepare? Requirement gathering document, configuration document, test case document. Those documents also, I will show you and I will give it to you. Because in my projects, I prepared documentations, right? Those documentations, I'll give it to you. So here, nothing but one end-to-end implementation is covered. One end-to-end implementation, one hands-on project is also get covered here in the class. But what is the difference between real-time project and our project? In our project, we assume and we create. But in real time, no assumptions. You have to talk to the customer, talk to the client, and gather the data according to the client requirement, configure the application. Only that is the difference with real-time project, with our project, what we do here. But if you're able to practice hand in hand along with me, you're able to put four projects also in your resume that you already handled. That much knowledge I'm going to give you. But you have to practice. Based on your practice, you can update your resume saying that, hey, I did 2 implementations in Fusion, or I did 4 implementations in Fusion. You can update your resume, you can try for the jobs, and you can upskill your packages, not only packages, your designations also, and you can switch between the companies.
Okay. This is a funny question, but I'm asking, like, what are these methodology? Like,
it's okay. Yeah, not a funny question. Since you are new, you don't know. Okay, so during suppose if you take house construction, in case of house construction, there are some processes there, right? First, 3D design to be there. And then later we need to purchase the material. We need to start ground floor construction, first floor construction, like that, right? Similarly, in the project also, if you want to deliver a project, you have to follow these steps. First, project design phase, planning a project. You see here, project planning. And after that, kick off the project, nothing but start the project and schedule a meetings with the client and understand the client expectations. Okay. And after that, document it. And then according to the documentation, configure the application. See here, set up the application, load the data, loading the data, like customer information, supplier information, loading. And after that, we need to perform the testing, whether the configuration is working fine or not. We need to perform the testing. Okay. So like this, there are some steps.
All these steps will perform SCM consultant only?
No, it's a project team. Okay.
Yeah.
Not only SCM consultant, financial consultant, HR consultants, SaaS consultants, PaaS consultants, project managers. Okay. So we all work as a team and we execute the project.
Okay. Some of step we will perform, right? SCM consultant.
Correct. Yes. Clear? Who asked this question? What is meant by
Yeah,
OEM?
Abhishek.
Yeah, no problem,
Yeah,
sir. Since you don't know, it's fine to ask. Yeah, it's not a fun question. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a post training. How you support us. So this is what I do. This is the post training help. I will track your attendance team. And also I will give you the assignments also. You have to finish those assignments. And I'll conduct the mock-up interviews. And will help you with the resume preparation according to your domain experience or your real-time experience, according to your current profile. I will suggest you on how to modify your profile and how to try for the jobs. And if you are performing really well in the mock-up interviews, I'll take care of the placement part also. I will take care of the placement part because I've been working with multiple customers and multiple vendors. A lot of requirements are with me itself. I will help you with the placement. If you are a fresher to this application, or if you're already working on Oracle EBS, or you are working on PeopleSoft, or you are working on supply chain domain side, logistics side, that does not matter. Only matter is I will check these 3 things: attendance, and whether you are daily practicing the application and you are completing the assignments or not, and you are clearing my mock-up interviews or not. If you are able to through with these 3, I will take care of that placement part. Okay.
Yes.
And, so regularly I'm expecting the emails from you. Let me show you. I'll show you. I'm sharing my screen, team, again. I'm expecting the emails from you. You have to send me the practice status like this. You have to send me the practice status like this.
Okay.
I will also give you the assignments also. Regularly, I will check this guy is from its latest batch, 65th batch. What is your batch number? 66. The student is from 65. The student is from 65. So regularly, I'm expecting the emails from you. I will review your emails. I will review your emails. And daily in the class, after the completion of this session, I'll clarify your practice doubts also. I will clarify your practice doubts in case if you stuck somewhere, I'll help you.
Okay.
And I will check your practice statuses also.
What will be the duration of the classes for weekdays?
I'm coming to that slide. Next slide is that. In next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to finish my side and later I'll take your questions. Okay. So total 70 hours of duration. So which is close to 3 months. Timing is 8 to 9 a.m. IST, morning. 8 to 9 a.m. IST timing. And daily 1 hour session, Monday to Saturday. 6 months application access for your practice. And 1 year membership. What is meant by 1 year membership? Within 1 year, you can attend multiple batches. Suppose you have registered in this batch, but for some personal reasons and professional reasons, you are not able to continue. You can attend one more batch also. Not only one more batch, you can attend as many batches as you want within 1 year. Within 1 year. Okay. And access to live classes recordings also. I have a learning portal and we have a mobile app also. I have Android app and iOS app also. If you want, you can also install now. So you can, in case if you are missing the live classes also, don't worry. So all the recordings are available in the learning portal, in the LMS system, and also in the mobile app also. You can catch up the recordings from there also. I'm providing the material, including the screenshots, everything step by step. When you're practicing, you can refer to the material. You can refer to the videos also. Anything. You can refer to material, you can refer to videos, and you can practice the application. So whatever the real-time knowledge that I have, that I faced in my projects, like my challenges and how I have overcome my challenges, those tips I'm going to share in the classes. Real-time discussions. Okay. And there is a WhatsApp group also. There is a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, I'm also available. We can have a discussions related to our practice. And in case if you are facing some challenges in your projects also, you can put it in that group. We can help each other. And the latest features explanation, always, I'll be explaining the latest capabilities in the application during the classes. And the predefined interview questions answers are available, predefined, because not only attending the classes, you have to do these things parallelly. Attending the classes, practicing the application, interview preparation, resume preparation. All these you have to do parallelly. If you do sequential, it will take time. Sequential in the sense, after completion of the classes, you'll do the practice. After the practice, you do interview preparation. After interview preparation, you do resume preparation. It will take 1 year time, right? You have to do all these things parallelly, simultaneously. Attending the classes, regularly practicing the application. Once any concept is over, that related interview questions related to the topic, you have to prepare yourself. And once 60% of the portion is completed, you should be in a position to put your resume in the job portals. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is about learning portal, team. This is about learning portal. I will show you this LMS portal from the application. In fact, we have mobile app also. I'm sharing my screen again back to you. So this is our website, team. This is our website. Once you are done with the registration, Once you are done with the registration, you can click on the login option
Okay.
and you can provide your username and password. Your username and password you can provide. Click on the login. And you can see the courses that you have enrolled with us. Currently in my login, lot of courses are there. So this is the current batch, 65th batch. I just finished the 64th batch recently last week. This is 64th batch class videos. So batch wise, we are organizing the videos, not only batch wise, module wise also. You can see basics, product management, inventory, and interview question related videos. See, only interview question related, see how many videos are there. Totally 500 interview question answers I'm providing. And under special videos, in fact, SLA video also I'm providing. This is financials, but it's up to you if you want to learn. And OEM methodology, lot of stuff I'm providing to you.
SLA means service line agreement.
Subledger account.
Subledger.
It's a finance
Yeah.
concept.
Yeah.
So all these sessions are recorded and uploaded here within 2 hours of the class completion. Within 2 hours. In case if you are missing the live class, you can catch up the recording from this learning portal or in the mobile app also. Okay. You can play them and you can also enable the subtitles. You can enable the subtitles here and you can also control the speed. You can also control the speed. If you want to listen in a fast pace, you can increase the speed or you can lower the speed also. And regarding the quality also. So this quality is automatically get adjusted according to your bandwidth, your internet bandwidth. If not, if you want, you can set it to manually also, this quality of this video. Okay. So not only listening to the class recordings here, so we are also providing the lab from here only. If you click on the lab section, you will see the application details. Application details. And you can practice from here only. Not only application details, material access also will provide from here only. Material. Okay. And course completion certificate you can download from here. Course completion. So once you finish all these classes, so you can mark them as completed. Once all of them mark as completed, then your course status change it to 100%. And you can download the course completion certificate directly from here. You'll see a download button. Not only completing the videos, once you completed your profile, you'll see a download button here. If you click on the download button, you can download your course completion certificate. So there is a scanner on top of the course completion certificate. Suppose if any companies for verification purpose, if they scan it, we'll receive an email. By checking our records, we are going to reply them, yes, this consultant has completed Oracle Fusion supply chain training with us. Okay. So this is about learning portal team. We have a mobile app also. So this is how mobile app, I think I don't have a slide for mobile app here. If you want, you can check the mobile app also. You can download from the Play Store and iOS Store. Okay. So these are the other courses that we are offering. We are offering supply chain and financials and technical, manufacturing and planning. So other courses, we are also offering WMS also. WMS is a separate course, warehouse management system, and GTM, OTM, Oracle Transportation Management, Global Transportation Management. Okay. In case if you want to enroll for those courses, you can contact my team.
Hey, is there an EBS course being offered?
EBS, Oracle EBS, we stopped, sir. We are not currently offering because we are not getting much inquiries from the Oracle EBS side.
Okay, okay, that's fine. But do you have the recordings for the earlier batches in case if I reach out to you and I'm okay to
available.
Yeah, okay. How do I reach out to you? To the same same email ID or
here. This is the contact number. Okay, I'll showcase this slide. Kindly wait.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we have been into the industry from 2012. So we have trained a lot of students, and these are the genuine reviews and feedbacks we have taken. You can check out the Google reviews and Justdial reviews and Trustpilot reviews and Suleka reviews. So these are the genuine reviews which are given by the students after completion of their batch. Okay. Please have a look at those reviews. I suggest you to look at the curriculum. So I'm covering the industry best curriculum and latest features and latest functionalities I'm covering. First verify that curriculum and then later check out the Google reviews. There is one more free session is also available. I'm starting the classes from Monday onwards. I'm resuming the classes from Monday onwards. Monday is also free session. So you can check all these things, the facilities that we are providing also. We are providing a mobile app. Nobody in the market is providing the mobile app. We are providing it. I have a web development team separately working on building these applications for the students. So I'm giving all the top-notch facilities and course curriculum and delivering the real-time teaching. So please verify all these things. If you like, then only enroll with us. Okay. This is what we are in the market from 2012 onwards.
Do we need to enroll it first, then after we make the payment, or do we need to make the payment first and then enroll?
So if you want, you can directly go to the website and you can directly make the payment, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, but
automatically you'll get sign
up.
up. You'll get sign up from there.
I know, but how do we make payment from US? Can I make it directly from here, or how it goes?
It's better to make directly from the website, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll share you the URL. This is the website supply chain. This is the course URL. Okay. So you can click on the add to cart and then buy now option, and then you can proceed with the payment.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So I've shared in the chat also.
Can we make payment through credit card also?
That EMI option is also available. Okay. So if you are paying through the website, EMI option is also available.
Okay.
So yeah.
Krishna, I have a question. A last
So
question.
these are the vendors. These are the companies currently, I tied up and I'm working with them. So I'm continuously getting the demand from all these companies. Not only these companies, there are a lot of other companies are also available. Market is, having a lot of opportunities, but they're not finding the right profiles. Most of the profiles are available in the market, but they are not up to the skill. They're not up to the skill. They're not able to clear the interviews. So that's why a lot of junk profiles are available in the market. So I request all of you to, make yourself, a valuable resource in the industry, in the market, and fulfill your desires and dreams also. Like you are looking for some position, some packages or travel on-site opportunities you are looking for. But you should have, if you are expecting something, you should have that amount of eligibility also. Correct? So you have to gain that by doing hard work. So please attend classes regularly. That is my sincere request. Not only attending the classes, please practice the application also continuously. Okay. So that's all from my side. I'll take your questions from now. And from Monday onwards, I'm starting the batch with the same meeting link. Monday is also free session.
Sir, what is the scope for freshers or 1 year experience guy?
December and January, I placed 4 freshers, madam. In fact, right now I have freshers requirements also, but I don't have students. Right now I have fresher requirements.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't have students. What I can do? Tell me. Almost all my students who has completed the practice, who has gained the knowledge, all of them I placed. If you just register, I don't place, madam. Okay. So placement criteria is this. What is that? Only for the merit students. This one. The first 3 is qualification criteria for the placements: attendance, daily assignments, and clearing my mock-up interview.
Okay. Just one question. Well, let's say if someone is not able to join your classes due to some particular issue, maybe. So that will obviously affect the criteria. So how you take it forward from there?
I'm providing the videos also, right? So in case if you're not able to attend the classes, you can catch up the recordings. That is one thing. Or else your membership is also valid for 1 year. Within 1 year, you can attend multiple batches. Suppose you discontinue in this batch, next batch you can enroll. I mean to say, you can join next batch also. 1 year membership. With your single registration, you have access to multiple batches within 1 year. Okay.
No, sir. My question is like the criteria that you have set to help the fresher. So the attendance criteria will affect, right? If someone is not able to join on time due to
Sir, I have given
professionalism.
not what is attendance criteria, sir? There 80%, right? Did I
Yes, sir.
mention the 99%, sir?
No, not about 99 or 80, but because if I'm not continuously joining or maybe I'm looking at the videos,
Okay.
so that might affect the percentage. So right now I'm not sure about what percent it will affect. So just
Okay.
wanted to cross check on this.
So basically, if you're not attending live classes also, I'll check the second point, right? Whether you're emailing me your practice status or not. You're completing my assignments or not. I'll track down that, right?
Yeah.
If I relax, sir, suppose if I relax, attendance is not required, then people won't join, sir. Let me have all these controls in place so that they will try to join.
Correct.
I should not relax them. They will also get relaxed.
Got it.
And Krishna, do you have dubs for certification? Do you provide dubs for certification?
So certification we are issuing from our institute. Okay, that is one thing. And if you want to get certified from Oracle, we'll support in that aspect also.
So I can take it as yes for the dubs.
Dumps, sir?
Yeah.
So dumps are available, but not really sure the same questions are going to come or not. It's all your risk factors, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Krishna, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Rohan, tell me.
Yes, I have a question. Actually,
Yes,
I have 3 years of experience in procurement and sourcing, but
okay.
I'm completely fresher in Oracle.
Okay.
So if I go through the class, will I be considered as a fresher, or my previous experience will get count?
What's your current package?
It is 4.5.
Yeah, you're not your experience also get considered. You'll get minimum 4.5 or more than that.
Okay, so I will be not considered as a fresher, right?
No, you're considered as a domain experience.
Okay,
Your domain experience is an added advantage here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Because people who has not worked on the domain, they don't know what is purchase order and right, all those things, right? What is bidding and all, but you know already all those terminology, business terminology, you already know.
Yes.
It's an added advantage.
Okay, got it.
Do you provide Oracle Mantra or Oracle SCP training also?
Oracle EBS trainings we are not providing, sir.
The Mantra and SCP already moved to
ACP
cloud.
basically it's the terminology of EBS. If you say ACP,
Okay,
it's
and
terminology of
the
EBS.
Mantra
Oracle
is
Fusion
separate.
terminology is Oracle Fusion terminology is supply planning. Okay.
Yeah.
It's called as a
And the
supply
Mantra
plan.
is separate application.
Yeah. Yeah, we are providing
The
that
Mantra
course.
is
So we are about to start that course. Yes.
Oracle the Mantra, right?
Supply planning. It's called as a supply planning, sir, in Fusion.
Oh, supply planning. And the Mantra is different, right?
Later I'll share you the syllabus, sir. You can check. Okay.
Okay, please.
Hello, Krishna.
Yeah.
Presently, I don't have a personal laptop. I will
Hmm.
get it on Thursday.
Mhm.
So, can I manage through a mobile Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday? It
Yeah,
is
of course.
possible.
Yeah, of course. It's not a problem. Yes, it
No,
is.
for hands-on also, like
No,
for doing
mobile
the
is not sufficient.
Okay.
Hi, Krishna. A quick question.
Yeah.
How do you see with a person with no domain knowledge to logistics? He would be able to catch up with the
Or I'm the
topics?
example for that.
Oh, okay.
I'm the example.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I directly started my job with Oracle EBS, sir. I don't have any domain knowledge. But I have a common sense, sir. Common sense in the sense I have we all having business knowledge, right? That is enough. Business knowledge in the sense we already know what is sales order means, what is purchase order, what is supplier, what is customer. Okay. So if you have just basic business knowledge, that is required, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you are having domain experience, of course, it is added advantage. But if you don't have, not an issue.
Yeah. That's my exact question, actually. The basic common sense should be able to help us to catch up with the speed is what I'm trying to think through.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I saw your old slides. Like C2C was not mentioned.
What is that?
C2C, cash to pay.
Cash to
C2C,
pay.
sorry, no, cash.
Order to cash, right?
Yeah, one order to cash and
Procure-to-pay. Procure-to-pay. I'm covering, sir. It is mentioned already in the slides. I already mentioned in the slides also. Some sample videos are there in the YouTube channel also. If you want, you can check now.
Procure to pay was there, but cash to C2C.
Cash to C2C. Yeah, there is no such cycle, sir.
I think he is referring to cost to company.
He's probably referring to order to cash.
Yeah.
Sir, when you say
I'm sharing my YouTube channel link also. So you can subscribe. I've shared the link in the chat. A lot of content is also available there. Okay.
Hi Krishna.
Under, if you go to playlist and if you go to supply chain, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, a lot of content is also available here. Okay. I've shared the link in the chat also. You know, if you want, you can subscribe it.
Hi, Krishna.
Yes,
Hello.
hi. Tell me,
So, part of training, are we going to cover BPM workflow?
Yes.
And how about the
Approvals.
ESS?
That is basically approvals only.
Yeah. So we have a Oracle standard schedule jobs, correct? Are we going to cover?
Correct.
And finally, one more question. So, as a functional consultant, so are we going to cover at least the sample mock-up FSD documents, how to write functional specs?
I will directly give you the templates also. My project templates also I'll directly give you.
Okay. So to become a functional consultants, I mean, what are the at least major modules? Yeah, of course, procurement and everything. So the core functionality, what are the major areas?
What are the modules that I'm teaching also?
Okay. And we are going to cover the agreements also, correct? Blanket, BPA, CPA,
Correct.
everything.
Yes. You can check that in the course syllabus. You can check in the website also. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. I was asking like, are you covering?
Abhishek, if you don't mind, let me give opportunity for others also ask questions. Okay, Abhishek. Okay. If we can discuss one-to-one if you want. Okay. I can stay for you. Please give a choice to others also, Abhishek.
Yeah, hi. This is Yash. So actually, I had a question regarding the course. So if I don't have any experience in domains, so like I have 3 years of experience working as a support engineer. So after the course completion, what kind of salary-wise expectation I am getting?
It depends upon how much knowledge you are gaining, Yash. It all depends on you. Okay.
Yeah, but do you have any range like average, medium, or
I'm finishing. I'm about to say that. Okay. It depends upon number of years of experience, basically. If you want to try as a fresher, the bracket is 3 lakhs approximately. And if you're putting 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, number of years into 3 lakhs package. Nothing but 5 years means 5 into 3, 15. Okay. 8 years means 8 into 3, 24.
But these years of experience, as in this experience in the domain itself,
Correct.
or in various
No,
domains?
in Oracle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Krishna, am I audible? Hello,
Yeah,
Krishna.
Sai Chandra, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Radha, I'll take your question after him. Krishna. Sai Chandra, go ahead.
I'm a beginner and I saw a few reviews on your Google. So I'm doubting that being a fresher, can I go forward with this or not with your institute?
Yeah, just follow me. Just follow my instructions. Okay. And if you complete that placement criteria also, I'm able to show you the placements also. Okay.
Are you sure about that, Krishna?
Are you sure about this one? If you guarantee this one, I'm going to guarantee the placement.
A few of my friends
This
already
one. This
enrolled
one.
in the process before batches, so they told about you. That's the reason I'm asking.
So if you're, again, I'm repeating, if you're able to promise me the first 3 things, I can able to promise you the placement. Okay.
Even they did, Krishna.
So if you want, I can show you some examples, Sai Chandra. Okay. So I can give you the contact numbers, who did I placements from December or January.
Yeah,
The last
I
2
know
months.
that, but the majority are negative, so that's the reason. And because I'm a fresher, so I don't want to risk.
Sir, right now also I have fresher opening. Right now also I have fresher opening. Right now also.
Okay.
Krishna, can I ask a question, please?
Look at the success stories, Sai Chandra. Okay, so people will say they don't attend classes and they will say they have not placed. How can I place them? You have to gain the knowledge. If you don't gain the knowledge, how can you clear the interview? How can companies can pay you? If you have some skill set with you, then companies can pay you. Otherwise, company cannot offer a job for you.
Sorry to say, Krishna, but the one thing, the way you are speaking in
Radha
English, I
Krishna,
thought
can you
like
go ahead with your question?
Yeah, like
good.
you in this slide which you're mentioning attendance 80 and daily assignments and mock-up interviews, right? So when we take a situation like uh, I'm traveling somewhere and I'm not available for
That's why 80% only,
few
Radha
days.
Krishna, not 90-95%. 80% attendance is required.
Yeah, like I'm
Traveling
traveling somewhere and
that goes
I'm
into 20%, right? That goes
yeah,
into
yeah.
20%. 20% relaxation is already there.
Yeah, so like I'm not able to complete that assignments also because of the restrictions in the travel. So what is the situation that we can
So then you are not gaining the knowledge, right? If you are not able to gain the knowledge, how can I show you the placement part?
yeah, that is agreed, but
Yeah.
yeah, like what can we do? Like how
Sir, you
like
have to gain the knowledge. If you are looking for a placement support, you have to do these things. Then only I can share your profile to my client. Otherwise, how can I share my profile to the client if you don't have a knowledge?
yeah, that's agreed, but
Not
like
but. That should be agreed. Not but.
yeah,
That
yeah,
should be agreed.
yeah. So after the travel or it gets over, like I need to cover up all that things, right? What
Yes,
I've
of
missed in
course.
that
You
thing.
have to. You have to, yeah. If you are
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
the assignments properly, if you are able to clear my mock-up interest, I can relax here.
yeah.
I can relax here. Companies are chasing me. I have to close 5 fresher positions. Companies are chasing me. If you are beside me, I can show you their mails also. Okay. Next
Okay,
question,
okay.
please.
Krishna,
Attendance, I don't know, team, why attendance 80% has become a more criteria here, more challenging for the students. I don't know. If you are looking for a job, right, this is base minimum base minimum expectations from my side, right? I don't know how you people are asking questions on that area. How this is gonna be a challenging for you. I'm not expecting 100% attendance. No, right? Only 80% attendance. If you're traveling, your health is not good. Okay, 20% leave it. 80% if you're not able to attend the classes, how can companies can take you? I don't know. Most of the questions are around that area only. Next question, please.
Krishna, I'm looking for hands-on experience or assignments
Yeah, I'll
to.
provide that, madam. Poonam.
So, is there a separate thing that you have
Not
other
required,
than?
madam. Not required. So if you practice along with me in the classes, I will give you the assignments and scenarios. I have a lot of scenarios which I have already listed.
And for instance access, is there a separate thing? Like, see, my issue is I have done a course with another company
Okay.
previously, but it was not a hands-on experience. I'm looking for project-based and hands-on experience to, get into understanding the working of the system in a better way. So,
Okay.
is there a separate set wherein you provide the instance access and I can work on the assignments provided by you or the
Yes, madam.
project
Yes.
based?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So
If
for
you're
that,
able to
should
follow
I?
me, you can put up 4 projects in your resume. You can try for the jobs.
Hi, Krishna.
Poonam, you're good.
Uh, yeah. I'm looking for mostly into discrete manufacturing and planning. So for that, should I contact you separately?
Yeah, it's a separate course, madam. I cannot able to combine everything under one course. It will gonna
Yeah, fine,
become
fine.
more than
So for
6
that
courses.
details, I should contact you separately, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hi, Krishna.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
I would like to enroll for the course, but my problem is the 8 to 9 class. The
Okay.
time is a busy schedule for me.
Okay.
So I will join the class and I will go through the videos later on.
Okay.
If I have questions or doubts in that class, how would I approach you? Like, should I send you an email or?
Yeah, you can send me an email and there is a WhatsApp group also available. So you can put your questions in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And, at least try to, have a interaction by connecting the live class. At least try to connect few classes and clarify your doubts.
Yeah,
at the end
maybe
of the
I
session.
can join maybe
Yeah.
for half an hour or so.
All these are the three options we have.
No, so let us say I have a doubt. I drop it in a WhatsApp. So are you going to give a solution over WhatsApp or are you going to explain it in the next class?
Over the WhatsApp, over the email.
Mhm.
And some things, I cannot able to explain through messages and emails.
Right.
I have to explain you verbally. So
Mhm.
those things I'll explain in the class.
Okay. In the next class, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi Krishna, good morning.
Yeah, Sumant, right?
Yes, I am Suman. I have overall 4 years experience in accounts payable SAP application.
Yeah.
Invoice processing.
Okay.
So I am changing my domain Oracle SCM. So after that, once course completed, after can I apply for the job for fresher or experience can I add?
Not after the course completion. I would say once the 60% of the portion is completed, you have to parallelly try for the jobs.
Okay, there is no issue,
And
right? SAP to
whether you have
Oracle.
to try as a 2+ or 4+, it depends upon your ability. Okay, how much knowledge you are gaining.
Okay.
According to that, but after completion of my training, I can confidently say you can put 6 to 8+ also. That much
Is it
knowledge I can give you.
manageable, Krishna? I also have a same doubt. I have experience on other domain, but I want to switch to this. Is it manageable to
Yes,
manage
ma'am,
as
it
a
is.
experience?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Krishna.
Hello, Krishna.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Actually, I would like to join this course for the freelancing opportunities. So, can you please explain me about the
Sir,
freelancing opportunities you
it's
have?
not mandatory that if you enroll, then only I'll give you the freelance opportunity. It's not mandatory like that.
No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
I would like to I just want to do freelancing only for this. So, can you please explain how it is possible like that?
Yeah, it based on, I get requirements for the freelance also, maybe 2 hours a day or 4 hours a day, 8 hours a day.
Okay.
When I get that kind of requirements, I'll be passed on to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Okay. So Monday, Monday 8 to 9, same time basically, same meeting.
Hello. Hi, Krishna. What is the max team size?
One thing I can assure you, sir. So if you see today also, I have replied to everybody question, right? So my concentration towards everyone, that I can assure you. So here in the demo, you'll see, you don't expect all this get registered, okay?
Got it.
Yeah, so first 3 classes, you'll see like this count only. But after completion of the three classes, so only genuine candidates will pay. Only general candidates is going to join the classes. Okay.
So you mentioned Monday also is a demo. Is it a repetition of the same thing? Or
No, not demo. It's a day 1 class, sir. Not a repetition.
Day 1 class.
Day 1
Okay.
class, correct. I don't repeat demo again. It's a free class, I mean to say.
Oh, okay, got it. So after that,
Yes, sir. Yeah, if you have
by the
found
time
this now, you
we
can
make a
register now
decision.
itself. If
Yeah,
you have
yeah,
found this,
no,
you
I
can
got.
register now itself. You want to wait Monday, you can wait. Yeah, it's up to you. No force.
Sir, how much amount do you charge for this course?
Sir, please talk to my team, okay? I don't talk anything commercials, registration part. Please talk to my team.
Okay,
I
thank
think
you.
it's in the
Hi,
website.
Krishna.
It is there already.
Hi, Krishna.
Yes.
Myself, Satish. I do have 14 years of PeoplesSoft technical consultant experience.
Okay.
So I am looking similar role in Fusion. So if I join this course, will it be helpful, or is there a different course for this? Like you said, pass technical consultant something, right? So is this course is helpful, or like do I need to take different course? That's
No, sir.
a question I do have.
You want to become a techno-functional consultant? Yes, you can learn supply chain.
Okay. Will there be any scope? Because I already have 14 plus almost 15 years of experience. Yeah, I'm just thinking in that because people
Yeah, of course, sir. See, if it's always better to have a knowledge on the other connected modules also.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So
yes,
being a technical consultant, if you learn functional, you know what is happening on the functional side also. So that you can become a solution architect, because a solution architect is having understanding on both the sides. It could be technical or it could be functional.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sridevi, the org setup is explained as part of the basics only, madam. Basics only. So I have let me share my Google Drive. Let me show you the sheet that I follow regularly. Yeah, you see my screen now. I started sharing again. I follow this sheet, madam. Okay. And under the basics, you see, first I will talk about licensing part. And then later, I'll be explaining the enterprise structure here. And I'll be defining everything from the starting to ending, including the finance related stuff also I'll create here. And once the basics is completed, product management, inventory, order management, and procurement. Under order management, I have a lot of scenarios listed here. These are all the scenarios. See, sales order cancellation scenarios and standard sales order scenarios and different. All these are the scenarios only, not standard cycle. These are all the scenarios. All those scenarios you people need to practice. I'll explain you once. You people need to practice. This is back-to-back related scenarios, back-to-back order related scenarios. Lot of content is there. Okay. So a lot of topics are there I'm going to cover. I'll follow this. This is for the dropship returns. In case of dropship sales order, how to handle the returns. And this is dropship sales order scenarios. Pure real time. Okay. You'll get a lot of knowledge for sure. Okay. Okay, Sridevi, you're good?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah.
Krishna, this is
Hey.
Ramesh.
Hello.
So do we have a recording of this demo session?
Yeah, I recorded. We'll be sending this recording after 2 hours.
Yeah, because I wanted to share this to one of my cousin who is a fresher.
Sure,
So
Ramesh,
she's just looking for that.
Sure, I'll share.
Thank you.
So you'll be
Why the-
sending this video to the email address we put in the.
Correct. Yeah, Raj. You'll receive an email from us. Correct.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Obaid Mohammed, is there an option to select recorded videos? Yeah,
Yes.
please check with my team. Okay. Obaid Mohammed.
So
Hi,
because I
Krishna.
can't join in the morning 8 to 9 because next month is Ramadan. So
But the problem is, you don't have interaction with me. That's the problem. Okay. At least
So
if you're able to connect weekly twice or thrice or at least 2 times, you can clarify
yeah.
your practice doubts and other questions by, by
So
connecting
if
with
we
me.
select only recorded video, they will know not be
Yeah,
answered,
right. Yeah, right. Correct. Yeah. I cannot able to
Oh,
accommodate different people time zone to clarify their questions, right? It is not
yes,
possible
yes.
because students are from different regions, different countries. It is
So
not possible to accommodate like that. So if you go with the live training, then whenever you have a free time, if you can connect to the classes, you can clarify your
yes.
questions at the end of the class.
Okay. So you have any different time batch which is
The next batch is
available?
going to be 7 to 8 morning.
Okay.
1 hour before this batch
Yeah.
schedule time.
So what's the date of that?
It'll take
After
another 1 month.
completion of this.
It'll take every month. I'll start one batch.
Okay. I have to wait 1 more month. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
So you can do all. You can register now, and you can attend this batch. You can attend next batch also because your
Yeah.
membership for 1 year, right?
Yes.
Yeah, whatever
Great
you're able to
option.
complete
Yes.
in this batch, you can complete and then you can continue the next batch also. Students
Yeah,
are
it
doing
will
like
help
that.
us a lot.
50% they are learning in one batch, remaining 50% they are learning in other batches. Students are doing like
Yes.
that. Hmm.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, Krishna. This is Sheikh here.
Hello,
I have
Shikha.
two questions.
Yes, sir.
Um, Currently, I don't have laptop with me. So after 1 week, I will get my laptop. So
Okay.
till that, we can manage in mobile, like hands-on practice.
Practice is a little difficult, sir, to manage in mobile. Okay, it's better to have a laptop with you. Yeah. So 2-3 days
Till
is
then, we can attend
2-3
classes,
days is
right?
okay, but 1 week is a little difficult.
Okay.
Hmm.
And another one is that class timings 8 to 9 is fixed, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hi, Krishna.
Hello, Sarath.
I have 13 years of experience in the supply chain management.
Okay.
I was worked as an for a pharma company.
Okay.
Recently, I moved to US. I want to
Mhm.
switch to the Oracle SCM cloud.
Okay.
What is your suggestion on that?
Yeah, in USA, our technology, our ERP application is having a lot of opportunities and good billing rate also, hourly rate. You can
Yes.
check with the people who are in US also if you want. Market is good, and also it's a sustainable technology. Okay, it's not going to be replaced by AI, artificial intelligence.
Okay. Can I use my previous experience
No,
to
sir.
this?
In USA, they expect minimum 11 years of experience, right? Minimum 11 years of experience, then only you get the job in US.
That's why I'm telling you. I have the 13 years of 2011 passed out. My previous work experience was I was worked as an procurement head in the pharma company.
Okay.
Recently, I moved to US on H1B.
I got you. What I'm saying is, if you put your domain experience, that's a non-IT experience, right? That is not considered. So IT experience, at least you should project minimum 80 years in US.
Okay, I will connect you one-on-one and I will discuss with you.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Sir, can I join this class 7 and 8 a.m. because my job is 9 a.m.
No, sir. This batch timing is 8 to 9, sir. 8 to 9. This batch timing is.
Hello, Krishna, this job, the class timings won't change, right? It will
No,
be
madam.
between 8 to 9.
Correct.
Okay.
And how do we migrate one instance to production? Do you cover that as well?
Shalini, can you increase your system volume? It's low.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Tell me, madam.
So generally we do all project activities in lower instance, right? Maybe UAT,
I mentioned that
QA
point. I
instance.
got your question, madam. I mentioned that point already here. This is the concept. Export and import. So using this feature, we can copy the configurations from one environment to another environment. It could be from non-prod to prod or prod to non-prod. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That task level data upload, right? That one? Or import integrations you're talking about.
Not task level upload, export and import feature.
Okay. All setup related configurations also can we do?
Yes, madam. Yeah. We are going to configure everything. So all the configurations I will set up as a functional consultant. On top of that, I'll show you business transactions. I don't use the demo data. Some people, what they do is they'll take the vision enterprise structure. I don't take that. I will configure a company enterprise structure, and on top of company enterprise structure configurations, on top of that business transactions. Whole end-to-end implementation cycle I'm covering.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
From simple to complex, from basic to advanced. I'll start with basic. Slowly I'll take into the depth of it. I'll start with simple. Slowly I'll take into complexity of it.
And if you want to customize the look and feel, right? So, and any customizations like
Customizations I'm covering. I'm covering the customizations. But changing the look and feel and all, that's the past consultant part.
Okay.
Some
Do we
customizations,
script-
whatever I faced in my projects, I will cover that so that if any customization related questions asked in the interview, you can clarify to them. You can answer them.
Ruby script, will it be covered or
That is
to
technical
attend
part,
a
madam. That is technical part. Even I don't know that.
Okay, okay,
Even I don't know, madam.
thank
Okay, Groovy script is technical. Pass.
okay.
Hi, Krishna.
Hello, Swami.
Hi. So actually, I got a question.
Yes.
So I nowhere related to this Oracle. Actually, I'm new to this, and I have a previous experience in other field for 13 years. So is it good to go for to learn this course and start as a new as a fresher?
Sir, if you don't mind, can you say again? I lost some in the middle here.
Okay. So actually, I got 13 years of experience in other field, not related to this Oracle.
Okay.
SCM. Okay. So actually, I just got to know from one of my friends that it's a good to go course and you can do that. But my question here is, actually, I got a 13 years of experience in different field. So if I start like a fresher and learn this,
Yeah,
is
if you
it good
wanted to
to
see
go
one
for
thing,
me?
sir,
Yeah,
if you
because I have
wanted
a
to transfer, if you want to do career transformation from non-IT to IT, this is the
Yeah.
only technology I would recommend, because if you take other language-based technology like Java, Python, okay, so that all those are related to coding side. It's difficult, okay, you cannot able to handle it. Here, zero coding.
Yeah. So
This is
actually, the main question was here because I don't want to get into this coding and all.
yeah,
So
this
one
is
of my
zero
friends
coding.
suggested this course. So there is
Zero
no
coding.
coding.
Zero coding. I covered that point already. So what you can do is you can break up your experience, okay? So
Okay.
based on, once the course is 60-70% is completed, you'll come to know where you are standing. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Accordingly, you can break down your resume to put 2 projects or 4 projects in your resume. I cannot tell that right away because based on your knowledge, you'll understand how much capable you are to handle 4+ projects interview or 2+ projects interview or 6+ projects interview. It's up to you.
Yeah, that's good.
Correct. Yeah. So
Thank
one
you,
thing
thank
I would like to say to all of you is, if I go and pay, if I choose a good institute and if I pay, suppose let's take you want to become an IAS. I found a good institute. I paid the fee. Will I become an IAS? Huh? Will I become an IAS?
No, no, sir.
So suppose you are going to a driving school. You are going to a driving school and you are asking that driving school guy, car driving school guy, sir, can I become a racer in 3 months? It all depends upon how much you are practicing, right?
Yes.
It also depends upon how much you are practicing. It's both the sides. I should do my job properly. You should do your job properly. If you don't do your job properly, you will not get jobs. If I don't deliver training properly, so your all time and money will get wasted. I'll do my job 100% properly. I'm expecting you to do your job also. Then only you'll get succeed. I'll get succeed also. If I don't deliver trainings, can I be in the market from 2012 onwards? You see, almost 100 members are attended the demo. They attended 100 members means I'm continuously teaching, giving that much quality to the students from these many years.
Krishna, one last question to you from my side. If that will be, let's say I'm not having this kind of Oracle knowledge so far. So this will be the first time that I'll be enrolling to this. Though I'm having an logistic and warehouse management and all of this experience. Currently, I'm working as an operations manager into that. So my question to you will be, after learning this course, so you guys will be helping me to build my resume based on the projects that I'll be doing currently. So just to be honest on that part, whether you will be implementing some of the projects to my previous organization's experience, or how you guys will manage me.
It depends
Or,
upon, as I already mentioned, it depends upon your current profile, your current job. I will help you with preparing, building your resume. That I call it as a counseling.
Yeah, that's
counseling for
what.
your resume preparation.
So,
Yeah.
so when you say that, so just to have an open chat here. So when you say that, you mean to say like you will be involved in some of the projects, maybe something we'll be doing with my previous experiences that I have currently, correct?
Okay.
No, I'm asking you, am I correct, or you can correct me if I'm wrong? Like whatever projects we'll be doing here, and that you will be implementing in my previous organization's experience, right?
It depends upon whatever the clients that you're handling. Okay. Suppose take an example. Suppose if you're mentioning in your resume that you did Oracle Fusion for HDFC Bank, nobody is going to believe because HDFC Bank is using SAP. It depends upon what is the client or what is the project that you are using. I'll also help you with giving the client names also. So we can totally change the client names also. Because if you put some clients, they know that they're using Oracle or SAP, some industry experts. Let's take if I receive your resume, by looking at your projects, I can come to know whether the client is using SAP or Oracle, whether that is a cooked up resume or a genuine resume, I can easily identify.
Okay, but like Amazon is not using. I work for Amazon. I work for Walmart. I work
Amazon,
for Flipkart as well.
Amazon is using Oracle.
Yeah, but currently they're coming up with their new own maybe product so far. I have heard something. I have left that company long time back. So Flipkart I have worked. They were using. So in
Correct.
that you mean to say you will to try to build up something in that way where I
Correct.
can present
Correct.
myself, right?
That's
Yeah,
correct.
okay,
Yes.
got it.
That's correct. Yeah. I will see, what are all the clients that you worked on. Okay. So
Okay.
then only I'll come to know, whether to continue with that same clients or with the different clients. I'll explain.
Got it. Yeah.
Hello, Krishna.
Yeah, Durga Prasad.
I'm completely fresher, passed out on 2022 from degree.
Okay.
I don't know it is my cup of tea. Since
Okay.
I am fresher, can I get the access of 2 or 3 recording classes for free so that I know that it is my cup of tea? I can join the course.
So initially, not only you, if I'm learning any new technology, initially, first 1 week is going to be red and what do you call? I feel same thing initially for the first 1 week. Like you, a lot of freshers learn this course and they changed their careers to this side. It will take some time. For the first week, it's going to be confusing for you, but you have to listen to me patiently. Compared to other experienced people, you have to do some little more extra time. Maybe if they go through recording one time, you have to go through recording 2 times or 3 times based on your IQ levels.
Are you providing the free access only for Monday class?
Sorry, what happened? Sorry, I did something. Yeah, go ahead. Someone asking a question. Yeah, good.
It is Durga Prasad.
Durga Prasad, yeah, good.
You are only providing the access to Monday class. First
Yeah,
class
correct.
only.
Monday class, correct. Yes.
Can I get that recording? I am not available on Monday. That's all.
Yeah, we will email you. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, team. See you on Monday.
Yes, sir.
See you on Monday. Okay. Same meeting ID, team. No change in the meeting ID. So timing is 8 to 9 a.m. IST. Okay. Chaitanya, yeah, just to answer your question, it's not under ERP. It's a new page.
Okay.
That's it. Only page look and feel is different. That's it, sir.
Okay. And it's functional only, right?
It's functional only, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Krishna. This course is from Monday to next 3 months, right? What is the last day?
Correct. Yes, 3 months, sir.
Sir, my question is
3 months, sir. 3 months is a course.
Oh.
Thank you all. See you on Monday.